Hello, friends. Hello, warriors. Hello, healers. You know what? I'm sitting here. I'm like, wait a minute. I should do a video on inviting you guys to our grand reopening. We've been talking about it. We've been sending emails on it. We've been posting on social media, but there hasn't been like a full video describing what to expect and how this event can literally change the way you see medicine. Okay, so. If you're new to my world, I'm Dr. Jennifer Jeanty. I own a clinic here in Denville, New Jersey called Wellness Corner NJ, where we help patients identify the root causes. I think that's step one to healing your body because if you don't know what's causing your symptoms, your illness, or disease, then you will not be able to heal. And I see so many patients coming to our doors confused, frustrated, depressed, and anxious. They're like, I don't know what's happening with me. And my doctor's telling me there's nothing wrong and I'm normal. When in fact, I know I can feel it. Something is wrong. So with functional medicine and being a functional medicine doctor, that's my step number one. I have to know what's wrong with you at the cellular level, or I have to understand what your body's telling me and you before I can recommend anything. So we changed our names. We actually been doing this work consistently for 9 years now. When I opened my clinic, it used to be um, Wellness and Aesthetic Corner. Now it's truly Wellness Corner NJ. So I don't do Botox anymore. I don't do derma fillers anymore. I don't do anything that's toxic. So we never really had a reopening to celebrate the new name and to also celebrate our passion and fulfilling our purpose and actually celebrating what we love to do every single day. So for this year, the 2025, I decided to do a reopening, like a big old, event where we are inviting like-minded individuals, health-conscious people, patients, those that are interested in learning more about functional medicine, where they'll have an opportunity to pick my brain. And then we're gonna have vendors here. We're gonna have entrepreneurs here. If you own a business, okay, this event will be good for you because we're doing an icebreaker where we are posing questions, we're asking questions, and then the participants should go and just identify how many, entrepreneurs or the business that we are talking about. This event is for you. It is completely free. You'll be, there's no money asked of you. We are giving back to you, to the community. We're gonna have food, we're gonna have music, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have opportunity to win services within our practice. I mean, it's gonna be a lovely time. It's only for 4 hours from 11 to 3 on Saturday, March 29th, 2025, here in our clinic. I'm gonna show you the website to register to RSVP. It's it's gonna be a lovely time. I am telling you. I'm also gonna have some of my patients that are gonna talk to you about some, giving you some giving us some testimonial or describing the how would I say this? Describing the experience working with us or incorporating functional medicine into the daily, day-to-day life. When we talk about functional medicine, people think about, oh, I have to give up this, I have to give up that, I can't eat the food that I want, and I'm gonna be miserable. This is not true at all. Joy and feeling amazing, restoring, rejuvenating, and repairing your body, like your body thriving, that's what you find in functional medicine. All the other things, I don't know what people are talking about. Functional medicine is there to restore the function of your body. Many of us are walking around with disease body, with inflamed body, with a vessel that we are not loving. We push it around because that's what we need to do. But when you find the medicine that's actually can feed your soul, feed your body, feed your cells, your organs, what they have been asking for, you can only feel good. You can only feel good. So this event is there to kind of show you what is possible to raise awareness on this type of medicine that many of us are not considering, or many of us think it's not, it's not true medicine because there's no medication prescribing, right? We get people off medications. But if you are desiring a different type of life, a different health and wellness, a body that is loving you, that you're gonna love until the end of time, Functional medicine is for you. So if you live in New Jersey, you live in New York, and you just want to drive with your girlfriend, with your family, just come. We would love to have you. Again, it's nothing but pure pleasure, communication, education, great food, great company, music, drinks. I mean, it's like a day party, but for functional medicine, health conscious people. That's what I call it, because everything is on us. Everything's on us. We will not be selling you anything. We'll be, raising awareness to tell you, hey, this is the medicine you need to incorporate, whatever you're doing, and you need to find a functional medicine doctor. And then if I resonate with you, you want to work with me, yes, I can help you because I've been doing this work for a long time and we have helped many people. So I'm more than qualified to help you. But this event is for you. It is for all of you that are suffering, that are frustrated, that are struggling, that are looking for answers, that are resilient, that are persistent, that are committed, that are motivated in finding a solution, that are not settling for less. This event is for you. And I would love to do it at least twice a year, right? A meetup. We can call it a meetup, like where all of us come together. And then you have the opportunity to really get some free advice from me. I'm not your doctor. I will not be treating, but it will be just recommendations and suggestions that, but of course, at the end of the day, you still have to go through the process and identify the root causes and, the whole nine yard. But this is a time for you to actually put yourself out there, get out of your comfort zone, have an open mind, and see what we need to do, what you need to do, what you have been missing in getting your body to function the way you want it to. Because you're in charge, you create your health, you create your reality. Nobody else. Not your doctor, not your insurance company, not your medications, not your supplements, not me, you. So I would love, love, love to have you join us. Okay, so I'm going to share with you. All you have to do is go to Wellness Corner NJ, wellnesscornernj.com. When you go there, I'm going to remove the group and then you're going to see a pop-up. Okay, so give it a second. You see the pop-up here? And you click on Tell Me More. Okay, so it's Saturday, March 29th. We'd love for you to come early because we start exactly at 11 o'clock. Promptly at 11 o'clock, we have different events. We have different activities every single hour. We're gonna have so much fun, guys. I mean, I'm so looking forward to dancing and eating and drinking and have fun. If you're a patient of mine, please come. When a friend, when a family member. If you're a prospect of mine, you're like, contemplating, please come. This is for you. This is a no pressure zone. Pure love. Again, pleasure in knowing there's something out there for you. And then all you have to do is just reserve your seat here, put your name because we are catering this event, like we have a caterer. This event is being catered, that's the name. We need to know how many people are coming so we can have plenty of food and refreshments for everybody. If you own a business, please put the name of your company because again, we like to spotlight you and promote you in our icebreaker activities so that people can know you are a healer, you are an acupuncturist, you are whatever your business is, right? Energy healer. And just let us know everything. And of course, we're going to be emailing you to remind you because life gets busy. So please do not put us in a spam folder. You can bookmark us, this website, our emails. If you haven't heard anything from us from now until the 29th, please check your spam folder, your trash folder, because we will be emailing you. We have to remind you. And again, I just want to give back to you. This is costing us quite a few dollars. So please, if you know that you're not going to be attending, do not complete this form, please. We only want serious people because this is money. We are after donation, we have money we're spending. So I don't want to have food for like 100 people, knowing that you might not be one of the 100, but you said yes, you come in. Please, please, please do me this huge favor. If you're not gonna come, do not register. Even if you register and something changed, something happens, you have previous engagement, just send us an email. We're gonna, remove you because we really want every single person that registers to be here. Every single person that registers to be here. That's what we want because we are literally working with vendors. We are finalizing everything, and I want to go all in with the food, with the refreshments. I'm actually getting non-alcoholic drinks. I'm really investing quite a few. So I would love for you to be very honest with yourself. If this is something that you want to invest time in, because that's all I'm asking for is for you to invest time. That's it. Invest time in. So then this event is for you. And we just want to put a name to the face. You get to meet me and the team. You get to see our location because I don't know about you, but I always wonder the person that I'm hiring to help me on my journey, is it the person that I really want to work with? So I want to meet you first. And I did this for everything. The lady that does my hair, because I'm like, I had to meet her before she touches my hair. The lady that did my tattoo, I met her the day before she did my henna. The lady that does my eyelashes, I actually went to see her. So this is an event for you to get to meet me to see if we connect. It's gonna be a vibe. If we are into alignment, because if you're so into conventional medicine and you're not open to receive and learn about a different type of medicine that can benefit you, right? You're not ready for this journey, not ready for this awareness, you're not ready to do the work, then this might not be for you. But if you're like, yeah, conventional medicine failed me and I'm doing all of the things, I'm not seeing any results, I'm not happy with my doctor, or I'm not happy with the information they're giving me, then I'm being dismissed, then this is for you. Come over. I would love to have you in my world. We're going to talk about the services that I provide that are very beneficial to all the humans. And even if you don't receive them from me, I still want you to get knowledge. I still want you to be educated on the services. Okay? So we do IV vitamin therapy, which is a gold standard. You must do IV vitamin therapy for healing purposes. I'm going to talk about detoxification. So, and then we're going to open it up for Q&As. So where you can ask me questions. Now there's going to be other people. If you're not comfortable sharing your personal information or your personal issues, then you can use, ask for a friend. Have a friend that has gut issues, ask for a friend. And I'm sure whatever you face with, whatever issues you are encountering now, currently, somebody else have those issues. We all have bloated. We all gassy. We all want to lose weight, right? Most people want to lose weight. We all having brain fog. We have the acne, hormonal imbalance, the hair's falling out, the joint pain, the inflammation, the chronic health conditions. Most people have autoimmune. So you're not alone, and you're not the only one that has those issues. So this is a safe space. I promise you, this is so safe. This is a safe space for you to open up and tell us exactly your struggles, okay? And whatever you face with in conventional medicine, people, I'm sure there will be more than 3, 4, 5 people that will resonate with you. So this is the event that's literally gonna open your eyes and show you a different type of medicine that you might not consider. Even if you heard of the word functional medicine, right? I've heard of functional medicine, I don't know what it is. This is for you. We have literally helped hundreds of people, hundreds of people. My Google review speaks for themselves. I have 80 something plus Google reviews on only on Google. And I have like other reviews on Instagram and Facebook. And so this event is to really help you get out of your comfort zone, to see what you need to do, what you need to consider in healing your body. All right? Again, it's free. I'm not asking you to invest in anything. I'm not asking you to money to to spend money. Okay. The only thing I'm asking of you is to have an open mind and invest your time, because you're gonna have to spend 4 hours of your time, which is very important to me. That's why we are putting everything in this on this event, so that we can say thank you for spending 4 hours with us. All right. So I am so looking forward to seeing you March 29th. Not coming up. Let's refresh it. All right, here we go. Here we go. March 29th, March 29th at 10:30, because we start at 11. And I can't wait to show you all the possibilities. I can't wait to celebrate with you. I can't wait to hold your hands. I'm a hugger. If you want to hug, we can hug. I know COVID time, but listen, love will show us the way. We need more love in this world, okay? And we can also talk about finances too, because most people think functional medicine is pricey, which is not true. I know people that are paying $50 every time they go to the doctors for years, and it adds up. I know people that are have co-pays for the medications, and it adds up, and they're still not seeing results. So if you were to spend like a few thousands in your health, whatever that you choose to do with us, whether it's IV or my total body restoration program, it's worth every penny because you're gonna feel amazing, and you're also gonna have the guidance, the accountability, the support. Okay, so you can have all of that. Is it worth it? Yeah, or you can continue doing what you're doing and spending $50 here, $30 there, and paying for frustration and buying the medications and paying for more side effects. Is really up to you. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for me. I am so happy to meet you on March 29th, 2025 at 10:30 here in our clinic. You should be able to find the address down here. Okay, it's 280 West Main Street, second floor, Denver, New Jersey. And everybody's welcome. Even if you have to drive an hour, it'll be the best hour you'll drive to, because we're gonna take care of you, right? With peace and love and health and energy and joy, happiness. I'm gonna close this video. I'll see you March 29th at 10:30. Bye.